get started. Alright, welcome everyone, welcome. Hope the lights are okay. Oh, I didn't check if we are properly live. Should be alright. Yes, it's good. So we are live and everything going nicely. Perfect. Hope you all doing good. It's 26th of June 2026. Friday. Last day for the week. So yesterday we took this year GBP Canadian, but around session changeover my stop was here. I didn't want to have them push it with the spread on the session changeover, so I accepted the loss and closed it. Didn't enter an Asian session because everything was broken. So looking at it right now, still looking broken on 1 hour and 30 minutes, but probably same 15 minutes. Well, 15 minutes close, crossed up, came down, and looks like a bullish engulfing on the level, honestly, which can cause it to go up. What we were waiting for quite some time. And US30 beautiful play, entered around here, around here, and once the level was hit, you can see how perfectly it came to the level, rejected it, I closed it right there, and it just came back where it was, even lower. And as of right now, I don't like it. The 1 hour is broken, 15 minutes crossed down, 30 minutes broken, bearish engulfing below levels. So it's a no for me on it anymore. But GCAT looks okay. Oh jeez, please don't do that to us. Don't go that crazy. So yesterday, 3.5. So if this closes above this, I'm looking at lower time frames too. In lower time frame, it really is good, and in higher time frame, it's great. Just the 1 hour, a bit tricky. If we want to enter here, we need about the same 40 pips that we had yesterday. Could be still applied. It would be below the low of the week. No, not below low of the week, but below the level on a couple days that been there. So 187 around there. You know. They are pretty close to the level anyway. Let's see. 50-second for the 5-minute candle close. I don't really care about 5-minute candle close, but if you know the fractal nature of the market, then you understand why I'm going to the lower time frame, just to see how it's unfolding. What is happening, like in the 5 minutes, if I'm seeing a W formation right now, if it plays out, then means we are gonna see a week to higher time frame. You know, And same W formation on 1 hour, 3 hour would be a week on daily or weekly. Um, it's about how candles form, right? So it's a W formation here with a bullish engulfing, two back to back with one rejection to the level. But when we go to 15 minutes time frame, it's a week. And now becoming a bullish engulfing in 15 minutes. And it can start to make that 15 minutes W now to make a 1 hour week, you know. So it's fractal nature. That's what it's called. And when I want to enter, I don't usually, depends on the way. If I'm entering based on 1 hour where I like the confirmation on 1 hour and all, I will enter on there. I don't look at lower time frames. But if situation like this, when 1 hour, I know it's bullish, I know candles being respecting the DMAs more than they're breaking it, and alongside all these breaks, they remained above each other. I mean, crossed up. They didn't cross down. So I feel like 1 hour is right. Like DMA is right. Just candles are not respecting it. In a situation like this is where I go look at 30 minutes, look at 15 minutes, and 5 minutes to see if I'm correct in terms of what I think it's gonna happen. Or if we go to 15 minutes and instead of cross up we see cross down like this, I'll leave it alone. Now it's crossed up, rejecting level, not respecting DMA. That's why I went to 5 minutes to see what's happening. And that's why I didn't get in waiting for a confirmation. You know, in 3 minutes this 5 minute candle will close, and this 15-minute candle will close. Bullish engulfing in this 15 minutes honestly is not a bad confirmation. I might get it again. And one thing I was almost sure about it is that I was experimenting yesterday a little bit on the chart. So if you notice to that this level, I have the level here, we don't have the level there. So I put it sync around the layout, and if you just put this to level, it's just like a support and resistance you would draw normally, right? And very clean and accurate. So there is bunch of liquidity below here, and if I extend this, and it can be continuing to extend, you know, so it is a pretty nice support and resistance zone which was broken, right? And coming back, respecting this as a resistance, add a trend line to it, and you see that it is absolutely bearish in terms of how retail traders look at the chart. And the liquidity above here to this high was something that made me, I was just I was in the trade, I was looking at it in the Asian session, and this came to my mind, and I talked about it in the Protocol 369 course, that the levels can work as a support and resistance literally, and some of them will work as a liquidity zones, right? And the way you would know it is based on how DMA behaving. Well, there is more of the ways to know it, but that's inside the course. So I believe this was the liquidity area where they grabbed it, and now they're playing around here trapping more sells. That's why it looks bearish. The structure is giving lower lows, right? So it would just make sense for them to push it to 188, 200. That way, not only they stop out all people who entered sell, they also come back here, and if somebody entered there, swing traders I mean, and waiting for more drop, we'll see kind of a stop out on break even. That's where market really comes back to stop people at break even. In this 10 years, I've seen it so many times, I cannot accept if you say it's random, you know. They know, even at the best entries, they use the news or something. Just, I can showcase it here. If you entered anywhere around here, which is a great entry, above this high, and you see price pushing it down, session changeover, you go break even, out. You didn't go break even, they came right back again, you know. They come back for stops at break even. I've seen it enough. Now, sure, you can survive and stuff, but personally, okay, so the 15 minutes candle closed bullish engulfing. It's looking pretty good in my opinion. Actually, didn't respect with a reject of the 5 minutes, so it's tricky, especially being Friday. You can wait for more confirmation. I got in personally. Want to see what happens. Let's go over the rest of things real quick. The oil trade, interesting. The oil trade went pretty nicely since I entered. It pushed all the way to this level, but I did not close it. I just went break even. Woke up today, see that I'm out break even, and I don't like how it looks right now. No, thank you. I did try. If it was the time, it would continue pushing it, and it would be the trade that I wanted. I wasn't there for a quick scalp, you know. Next one, Euro NZD, pushed it through London session, looks like. Finally a little bit. But we're not in this, unfortunately. Did not give us the opportunity. Same with GBP NZD. Looks like it can continue a little bit. Everything is pretty respectful. NZD USD, I really want to take this to the upside, but I'm fighting my discipline not to go against my plan. But a very clear consolidation here. Exhaustion mostly, it looks like. USD CAD, the sell and coming back to DMA is kind of confirmed. Let's see, a nice bearish engulfing on everywhere, and candles being bearish. They're looking pretty nice. Let's see how much stop loss it wants. Oh my god. I accidentally entered. Jesus. I accidentally entered with the wrong position size. Big position size. Let's hope I survive. What the hell did I do? I have to get a better mouse. I keep gaming with it, it's become loose. GP CAD is not going well. It actually does not look good between the GCAD and UCAD. Yep. That was my bad. I'm gonna close the GCAD. Wrong one. I can't close UCAD. I messed it up. I'm just hoping they don't come back much, because I entered with a huge position. Come on. Don't do this to GPG. Let me close this. Where did OBS go? Okay. So I was trying to I mentioned before I put like a pending order kind of thing to see how much the risk would be if I wanna enter, and by mistake I put 14 lot, and just trying to fix it I entered the sell 14 fucking lot. It's either gonna be a very happy Friday or very sad Friday. I don't make this type of mistake much, but not gonna lie, it's not the first time. Put this MT5 open for myself here in case I had to act quick. Yeah, so we were about here. UJ, don't like the lower time frames of it. It's 15. I do like UJ now. But unfortunately, with the mess that I made, I can't open any trade. If it goes down, it's gonna go down. I mean, if it goes up, I'm gonna have a hard time. But I mean, I can't have any other trade on. It will mess up everything. And it's end of the month too, so it's gonna be a huge profit or terrible loss. But the type of terrible loss that it's literally what can you say? It's a execution error. Like I can't really. Oh, thank God it's pushing now. Let's see. Nice. It can be a 2 grand loss or 10 grand profit. Looks like I survived. Looks like I survived. Somebody clap for me. Jesus, 14 lot. Got stressed and a little mini heart attack for a second. Luckily, everything is aligned with the sell on USDK, and if it's coming just to red DMA or maybe even goes crazier, you never know. It can just go one candle to here. Be very happy. Quickly to the rest. GJ, no. Euro AUD, no. AUD USD. It looks like you're gonna start pushing up. Euro Canadian. I should have entered Euro Can instead of GK. Took a no reason loss on the GCAT. I'm not used to the live session daily and taking all these trades every day. I haven't took this much trade that I took in this month. I haven't took it in the whole start of the year till now. So it's showing a little errors. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I can feel like I'm making a I'm making bad decisions. For example, not closing the oil or entering GCAT today or entering wrong position size, they can burn my ass. It basically, in terms of the law, in terms of the risk percentage and all, it's okay. It's not gonna even hit my max daily loss, so I'm not freaked out in that case. But it's taking a position that it's taking a weight on the account that was not designed for it in my way. So it would be one chance, but considered as two different chance, three different chance. You know. That's why. So let's watch US dollar Canadian. My entries around here. I didn't even want to enter, I wanted to check, but I got checked. Let's hope. How you all doing? If you are in any trade, let me know. And please like the stream, subscribe to the channel. Nice. It's not always this lucky. I'm telling you that. If it be profitable trade unless you can, which looks like it will be, it would kind of wash out the day I had yesterday. I got hacked on all my Instagram accounts, from the accounts that I have for DJing and the Golden Pips Generator account, even my personal account, all of them was gone. I was logged out of all, did all the verification, took the trading one, the Golden Pips back, but my DJ account is gone. Completely gone. Somebody does not like the way I'm moving. So I was pretty mad yesterday. I have a really hard day. So this can wash it off a little bit. And I be feeling good. Not if you keep coming back, USD can't. It's crazy. I was always looking at people's stream. I don't watch live streams much, but you know these clips that they make and post it on social media. I saw a guy. I used to see the mistakes that they make, the errors, just like happened to me. And then they would take a big loss. Some of them are busy talking on the other thing and forgot to manage the trade and they took a loss. And I was like, how can they forget about this and do it live? How can they make this type of mistake in a live stream in front of people? And here we go. 14 lot trade. Don't judge people. What happened to you? We'll repel at the dollar. Position size is too big for me to go play Counter-Strike. I'm not used to that much. I know a guy who puts 800 lots trades, and I don't know how he does it. Thinking about 800 lots trade on a gold makes me nervous. Let's see. It's 9:30. You can take a look at US32. I told you I don't like it. Coming up, coming down. So 1 minute. So far respectful. Not the first one, but I still haven't broke this one. If he breaks it, I might just get the fuck out of the trade. Not sure. I wasn't planning to take that many trades. Not this much anyway. And I'm glad I closed GCAT because it would definitely stop me out. But it's coming back up too. Pretty crazy day it turned out. I was not expecting today to be like this at all. I'm gonna call my friend and say I'm messed up like that. You're gonna laugh so hard. When is the Portugal game? I bet on Portugal. I wear their hats. I haven't watched the game. Craziest fan ever. World Cup today. FIFA World Cup today. 3 p.m. Norway, France. Oh, and also 3 p.m. Senegal and Iraq. And then 8 p.m. Cape Verde and Saudi Arabia. And again 8, Spain, Uruguay. At 11, New Zealand, Belgium, and Iran and Egypt. Wish Iran a humiliating loss. Wish the players to be injured. Motherfuckers. So Spain is good. We're reaching the stage where all games are at the same time. It's cool. $9.34. Oh, look at US30. Look how perfect DMA would sit on that. Anything on oil? It's Friday. You see, if 1 hour was broke, 1 minute. No, nice. Any news? Let me check the news. I was still in a state of shock of what I did. Jeez, revised UOM consumer sentiment and inflation expectations. USD at 10 a.m. Yeah, couldn't be better. Couldn't ask for better. Enter wrong position size 30 minutes before news. Okay, let's play CS2. At least I can kill someone. Yes, I did the cooking. Yes, I did the cleaning. I'll put this on 30 minutes, maybe. Okay. I was able to add them. That's too much. That's good. Alright, let's go play something. Let's see what's happening in CS1. This is even a new high for myself. Never thought gonna play video games making this type of mistakes. It's good. I'm okay. Jeez. So many people, so many good players. I know they're gonna kick my ass. volume is too low. I can't hear anything. Nice. Thank you. That was better, I guess. I don't know that map. Come on. Don't make me stop learning. Automa? Bullish engulfing in 5 minutes. Not good. Can't even compete with these guys. Before I even see them, I'm out. I'm gonna go find somewhere to hide. They don't understand I'm into a 14 dot fucking trade. Don't do this. USD can't don't do this. Be a good man. I mean, drawdown. Let's see how long I'm gonna be on drawdown. I think I'm gonna hide here. Nice. Can somebody come here? I wanna kill him. Please. You can turn to blue. Holy goodness, here. Alright. Oh, it's coming back at entry, but it's going okay. Not the best kind of trading way. You know, US30 yesterday was much sexier. But it's alright. Doesn't matter how it goes. All I care it goes. So the 5 minutes looking alright. The 30 minutes too. It's just we gotta give it time because as you can see, the 30 minutes is kind of, the 30 minutes is crossing down. So it is usually playing around there until just a sudden pushback down. And the reason sudden pushback down is for the 30 minutes and all to cross down. So just a little bit of patience. Karma is back. These guys are so good, I can't even kill them. I hardly can make it damage, you see. I'm not so good at this game either. Some of them we can know they're cheating because you didn't make it sound. You're just behind them and they just turn on off a sudden. How did you know I'm there? See, he starts shooting before he come out of the fucking wall. Ow. Hashtag I'm a cheater. You can't turning red and blue every second. Goes to blue, right, playing at my entry. Playing with my heart. And one thing I want to tell you, jeez, it's pushing up, is that well, now experiencing it after a long ass time. I knew it, I experienced it before too, but it's a fact that when you risk more than what you're comfortable with, you become emotional. And once you become emotional, you might make different decisions that are not fitting your trading plan. I know. I haven't made it yet, but it can happen, you know. I'm already not feeling great about the trade, you know, because I made a mistake on execution, entered big position size that I'm usually do. It's not that I can't accept the loss or I'm gonna blow the account. It just, come on. It's just more than what I usually do. So already with just a little bit more risk than I usually do, without putting my accounts in the risk of complete fuckery, still I'm feeling emotion. I'm feeling more emotion compared to other days that we usually go live. Jesus. That we usually go live. I'm comfortable playing around, talking. But now, even in the game, I keep thinking about you, cat. What's happening? If I lost, then my week goes to, all a different thing. If I lose, how it's gonna be my week? It's not gonna. It's not like I'm gonna die. But all the things, all the proper discipline, trading plan, managing risk, everything that I did could be messed up and goes to shit for the week because I made one mistake, right? So, you cheater. I killed you even if you're cheating. That shows you need to cheat. You're bad. Boo. Who's that? My friend just sent me a message that he passed his challenge. Oh, I now go check. I learned a new trick of jumping. So I'm gonna try a couple of those. To see where can I jump. Leave me alone. I'm gonna go try jumping. In 7 minutes, we have the news. Fucking kill. Oh yeah, Mr. Secret Agent. I wanted to try jump. I killed others. You can still not feeling. It's the same secret agent tried to kill me. Oh. Let's see. UK going against us. But in 5 minutes is right at the end. In the naked chart it looks a little freaky. Playing CS watching candles. Tried my best. Three minutes to news. I'm actually get the fuck out of this game right now. And let's see what news bringing to us. Alright, I'm gonna go back to the trading view. Let's change this to chart. Let's watch this horror movie together. Oh my god. What do you do for fun? I open extra lots and freak out on the chart. Live. 2 minutes. Once this 5-minute candle close, we are either gonna see a push to the upside or push to the downside probably, or maybe nothing, but yeah, he said nada pasa. In Spanish means nothing gonna happen. I was explaining to him what's going on here now. 55 minutes since we've been live. And the funny thing is, it's literally playing right at entry. You know, it's not like a little bit into profit or complete in a loss to see like what, to have an idea. It's literally right there. But I can have an idea of what I'm seeing right there. 1 minute to news. Let's watch it here. I like 1 minute. How it looks. It's time for push to the downside. Let's see if we go to this would be 141 300, which is here. And then we've got 141 200, 300 is the first DMA. 10 second to news. 140 200 is the next one. Next DMA. I'm gonna do 141 around there. So the news is out, but the time of the news is there. Don't see anything happening. It's a US30, nothing really. So it wasn't really a big deal of a news. It was yellow anyway. So yeah, I can't really sit here till anything happen, but I'll update you like all other tricks. Wish me luck. And I see you on the next one.